Hey there, YouTubers. Earlier I made a video showing people how to enable Flash in Chrome using the registry, and this method will enable that particular video allowed users to enable certain websites. This one here, I'm going to show you how to enable all websites for Flash so that you don't have to keep enabling it per website. Now, I'm not saying it's 100% safe to go ahead and enable Flash for all websites, but if that's what you want to do, this is how you would go about doing it. So you click here, type in reg edit, and then this will pop up. Just click on it, and once you do, this will open. Go to H key local machine, software, then you're going to go down to policies, and then in here you'll notice that you probably don't have this one. You may have this one, but if you don't have this one or this one, if you don't have this one, you're going to right click here and go to new key, and then when the key opens, you're going to name it Chrome, just like this. And then, but if you do have Chrome, you're just going to right click on this, you're going to go to new, go to key, and then you're going to name it plugins allowed for URLs. And once that's done, that's when we're going to get to showing you how to enable Flash for all websites. So what we have here is quite a few websites, and you'll see that Flash is not enabled there. Flash is not enabled here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get that off the screen temporarily. And what we're going to do here is we're going to click on plugins allowed for URLs. We're going to right click. We're going to go to new. We're going to do a string value, and we're going to just name it 1, just like the other video. And I'll put the other video in the description just in case you want to go ahead and do it the other way. But I'm just going to show you how to enable it for everyone. You can do individual URLs, so you don't have to open Flash for every single thing. I'm not saying this is a good idea, but what I'm saying is if you're tired of enabling Flash for individual websites, go ahead and just double click on this, and you're going to create 2 of them. The first one's going to be https:/2/, and then the asterisk. You're going to click OK. Now we're going to go back out here. We're going to right click again. We're going to create new string value again, and we're going to call this one 2. And we are going to double click on number 2, and we're going to go http without the s, :2/, and a star again. What this does, it enables all websites that have or start with HTTPS or HTTP, and it enables Flash on every single one of them. So what we're going to do is we're going to see if that is actually the case. Of course, we may end up having to open this back up again, close and reopen, but we'll see. Let's refresh. Sometimes it takes a little bit for it to actually work. So let's see. Let's go in here. So let's do this. Let's close these all out, and let's open them back up again. Just got to give it a little time, I guess. So let's go to Facebook and see if there you go. Flash is allowed. So we'll go back into Google, or we were at YouTube, and it wasn't allowed there. So I'm sure Yep, flash is allowed. So as you can see, it just enables it for anyone. We can let's see what this tab is. I'm not sure what some of these are. And flash is still allowed for that one. So that's it. I hope this helps everyone out. And if you have any questions, just leave a question in the comments below. Thank you.